Hi, I'm Wayne and this is Bassador Woodworking. Today's project is a really quick and simple one. These little containers are a great project that I use all over my shop, whether it be to store paint and glue applicators or cut-offs of sandpaper, or to hold all my lathe tools over at the lathe station. The containers are made of 100% scrap material and they're incredibly easy to customize to suit your needs. And best of all, they only take a few minutes to make. I started by ripping my scrap pieces into 1-inch strips. This dimension can easily be adjusted to suit your needs or the scrap wood you have on hand. I then cross-cut the strips into 6-inch sections. Again, this is an arbitrary measure and can be adjusted to suit your needs. It was then time for assembly. I used a 1-2-3 block as a square and used glue and pin nails to create square frames. The frames are incredibly quick to throw together, and it takes barely any time at all to batch them out. And we are already at final assembly. I used 4 6-inch sections to determine the height of the crate. To create a shorter or taller crate, you simply cut the upright section to a different length. I used a couple of cut-off pieces of 3/4-inch plywood as a spacer to set each level at the correct height. Next, I cut out panels C1 and C2. There are 2 of each, 4 in total, because that is how math works. And it's just that easy. It's an incredibly simple project. There are limitless uses for this. You could turn these into planters by just shrinking the space between the different rungs. I would be overestimating if I said that this took me about 20 minutes to make. I think it was closer to about 15. And the great thing about this project is it's completely scalable. So if you wanted to make a dozen of these, you can just batch them all out and just spend a couple of hours just making squares and then stacking and pinning them in place while the glue dries. I have these all over my shop. They are quick and easy to put together, and best of all, they use barely any material. This thing came together really quickly, about 15 minutes total, and I couldn't be happier with it. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep up to date with new projects as they are released. And until next time, thank you.